Hello, welcome to the video. I'm Stuart G5STU. Now this is exciting because I'm going to show you Station Master running on a Mac. And the crazy thing here is I'm recording this on my phone actually. It's one of the cool things of OBS, which is what I'm doing the screen recording with, is it allows you to link your phone to your OBS without wirelessly. You don't have to do anything on the phone. You don't even have to unlock it, and the camera just suddenly starts working, which is pretty crazy. But anyway, that's not what we're here to talk about. I'm going to show you, if I do screen share, I'm going to show you Station Master running on a Mac for the first time ever. Let me just put my phone down. And yeah, quick preview of Station Master running on a Mac. Right, is it running or what? Here we go. I think it's working now. It's down here, look. It's always the way, isn't it? Whenever you do a demo, it never quite goes to plan. So here we go, Station Master 2.0. This is the same version I was using in my live stream on Monday. It's been updated since then, and we've now got a few more features. So you can right click over here on the cluster data, open a QRZ page, Station Master Cloud. You've also got Station Master there as normal, so you can see who's on what frequency and doing what. Excuse me. But all the usual stuff. So if I type in Dave, M0TPT, it brings up his name, how many QSOs he's logged on Station Master, it brings up his cloud profile. If I click on the QRZ tab, there's his QRZ profile. You can set whether you're CQ, shortwave listening, QRT or whatever. And if you change that, if I turn on rig control and set myself to calling CQ, rig control is powered by FL Rig, by the way, on a Mac. So you'll need to install FL Rig from the App Store. Actually, I think you download it from their website. I can't remember now. Anyway, so we're now on a frequency 14070. If I go to the Cloud tab, it should show me as being on that frequency. There we go, 14070 calling CQ. If I change myself to shortwave listening, within a few seconds this will update, and anybody else that's looking at that website at the moment will be able to see that I'm shortwave listening on this frequency, and so on and so forth. All the usual stuff. This all happens in the current version of Station Master Desktop, but that only runs on Windows. That's the problem. It works fine, it just doesn't run on a Mac. This version will run on Mac and Windows. If you want to keep on using the current version, you're more than welcome. Both versions will be running side by side for the foreseeable future. And once we get this version to the point where it does everything that the current version does, then I'll gradually retire the other version, because there's just me. There's just one man doing everything. I can't maintain two pieces of software. It's bad enough maintaining desktop, web and mobile apps, so that's already 3 different code bases I have to maintain. So there we go. The cool thing about this is it links directly to the cloud, so there's no local logbook, there's no local database. That does mean you do need internet for it to work at the moment, same as with the mobile app. However, I will be implementing a local database as well, but I want to get the cloud integration working perfectly first. This version here also allows you to put in SOTA, POTA, WAB and all the usual stuff. I'll be adding support for more of those in the future as well, but this version will come with support for these out of the gate. The current desktop version doesn't even do that, so that's a reason to switch. And there we go. If we go into the actual logbook, then we can see my my live logbook. So if you watched the live stream on Monday, you would have seen me using this version. It would have looked slightly different because it was a few days older than this one, and I've been coding like a madman every evening since. So well, what's it now, Wednesday, so yeah, I was coding on it all last night and most of tonight. So yeah, we've sorted out a few bugs, a few layout issues. It looks a lot nicer on the Mac now. It wasn't looking too great on the Mac before. We've still got a couple of bugs. This text should be white, this text should be white, this text should be white. On the desktop, on the Windows version it is white, but there's a bit of a bug within the underlying framework that's making this text not be white for some reason. I'm struggling to fix that, if I'm honest. But there we go, a quick preview of Station Master running on a Mac, and we'll just switch back to the iPhone. There we go. So yeah, if you want to try this out on a Mac, get yourself onto the Station Master Discord. you can find a link on the website, Station Master Online. Just type that into Google. I'll put a link in the description as well. Get yourself in the Discord and join the beta tester desktop channel. There's nothing in there yet, but I'll be putting the links to download this, the Windows and the Mac version, within the next couple of weeks. I mean, I could offer it out now, but I'll just get swamped with this doesn't work, that doesn't work, and it's all stuff that I know I haven't fixed yet. So I'm going to get it to the point where I think I've fixed all the bugs that I know about, and then any bugs that you report will be new to me as well. So there we go. Thanks for watching, and yeah, excited to get this out to you guys to try on your lovely MacBooks. This is the first time I've actually used this Mac since I bought it. I bought it about 2 months ago to update the mobile app that I built for Station Master. I've not used it since, so at least it's getting some airtime. Anyway, enough of me waffling, and 7-3 for now. Bye bye.